Photoshop Subject Selection tool has completely changed the game when it comes to cutting out a person from a photo. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how it works and how you can use it yourself. Let's get into it. Okay, so to get started, we need to go ahead and open up the image that we want to cut out in Adobe Photoshop. With the image open, we can head over to the Magic Wand tool, and with this selected, we're going to get a bunch of options up here. Now, of course, the option we want to choose is the Subject Selection tool. By clicking this, Photoshop is going to work some magic, and as you can see, it's selected the outline of our character here. Now, depending on the image that you're using, you may need to go into the selection and refine it a little bit, as it may have over-selected or under-selected part of your image. As I'm working with an image that's been taken in a studio here with good lighting, it's done a pretty decent job. Now, to remove the background from this image, we simply need to go into the Layers panel, select the padlock so it makes the image editable, and then we want to go down and choose the Mask tool. It looks a little bit like a rectangle with a circle inside of it. With that selected, you can see that it's removed the background of our image, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.